exercise gains significance because of the forthcoming exposition of the sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier, where the state is gearing for this event, and we, the Goa ADS as well as the Nsg, we specifically chose both the churches, Basilica of Bom Jesus as well as the Sea Cathedral, and this terror exercise, joint terror exercise was conducted, and I wish to say that with the participation and synergies and seamless participation of all the stakeholders, this joint terror exercise, counter-terror exercise has been a good success. It has been a good learning experience for the Goa ATS. The participation was good, and we hope and look forward to hold such joint counter-terrorism exercises in future with the NSG as well as the allied forces of other stakeholders.
So how many places you have taken this practice?
We identified 4 places, 4 vital installations. We can say the 4 vital installations. The 4 exercises have been conducted in the North Goa district.
Which area? Temple area, church area?
Specifically, we have taken 2 vital installations. One is a government building, one is a private building, and the 2 are the churches, as I have mentioned, Basilica of Bom Jesus and St.
So any offshore drill was conducted?
The drill was offshore as well as onshore. The involvement of the state coastal police has also been there.
So how many commandos from both sides have been taken part of? Around?
The composite strength of both the sides would be around 400.
Okay. This was particularly in the view of the exposition or overall?
This is a joint counter-terror exercise which we hold every year. So this time the particular exercise that we have held here at this point of time gains significance because of the forthcoming exposition, where we have been able to assess our own capabilities, the capabilities of the Goa ATS.
Any suggestions from the NSG side which need to be upgraded in the ATS or overall Goa police?
See, we have received appreciation from the National Security Guard. Whatever recommendations we will be receiving, we will act on it.
There will be any groups deployed for exposition from NSG side, sir, for the exposition time in Goa?
As of now, the ATS has made elaborate arrangements for deployment of our own staff, our own commandos at the particular location for the forthcoming exposition.
So the coastal side also you all have taken exercise, coastal division.
Coastal side, yes, the coastal police were involved in this exercise. One part of the exercise also involved coastal police.
Sir, काल मोपा एअरपोर्टार बीन कितें
So VIP's movement जेन्ना आसतले एक्झिबिशन टायमार तेन्ना ATSूच तांकां हँडल करतले काय NSG?
ना, VVIPचा जो movement असता, that is handled by the other unit of Goa Police, which is the security unit, wherein the Goa ATS commandos, if required or if called specifically, participate, or their participation is required.
ही मॉकड्रिल तुमच्या जागेचेर घेतली पळय तातूंतल्यान लोक भिवूंक ना कितें आसलो एक्सपिरियन्स तुमचो की लोकांक खरेंच तें भाशेन चल्लां काय तें नाटक म्हणून?
ना, हे people were aware, आणि आम्ही हे जे केलां पळय तें इट हॅज बीन डन ऑन अ रियल टायम एक्सपिरियन्स, रियल टायम सिनारियो. सो अशें जर केन्ना कितें घडलें जाल्यार पीपल आर ऑल्सो अवेर नाव की अशें केन्ना कितें घडपाक शकता, आनी आमी कितें हें घेवपाक जाय, प्रिकॉशन घेवपाक जाय. Like for example, evacuation of the site. In one of the vital installation, it involved evacuation of the people who were inside.
अलार्म
Sir,
अलार्म केलें कितें नेमकें कितें केलें म्हणजे अलार्म केलें तुमी अलार्म वाजयलो कितें एक्झॅक्टली
सो आमचो स्टँडर्ड ऑपरेशन प्रोसिजर आसता तो आमी फॉलो केलो.
सर हे मॉक ड्रिलान एक स्पेसिफीक टार्गेट आसता टायम फ्रेम आसता सो तितून तुमचें कशें कितें गोवा एटीएसाचें आशिल्लें कारण NSG जेन्ना इनवॉल्व आसता ते तेंच्यांनी ऑब्वियसली आपले कमेंट्स दिले आसतले गोवा एटीएसा बद्दल जेन्ना ही मॉक ड्रिल जाता सो तो कसो कितें आशिल्लो?
खंयचे हातून स्पेसिफीक टायम फ्रेम नासता. In any operation there is no specific time frame because we do not know opposite side कितें आसता. Sometimes the operation can conclude immediately. Sometimes it may take a lot of time. ताजो तो टायम फ्रेम स्पेसिफिकली आमी सांगपाक शकना कितलो आसतलो.
ओके बट तांचो रिस्पॉन्स कसो आशिल्लो NSG बिकॉज ते
ATS
एटीएसा वांगडा काम
performance
करताले
पळयता. ATS
तुमी म्हणल्यार तुमची कॅपेबिलिटी एक्सेस
As
करपाचो
I told you, the NSG has appreciated our participation and आमचे जे कितें रिस्पॉन्स आसा पळय they have appreciated it.
So,
वी आर ऑल वेल इक्विप्ड इन दीस एटीएस बरें आहा सगळीं सामून गोंयांत
upgraded equipment आमच्याकडे सगळे आसात.
काय आनी कितें गरज
The
आसा
ATS is adequately equipped, which the NSG has also experienced.
Okay, this was the drill. मुझे आप लोगों से भी जानना है सर के से भी दिस वाज द ड्रिल और क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट और होस्टेज मैनेजमेंट का बहुत बड़ा योगदान इसमें भी रहता है. अगर कोई होस्टेज है सो इज गोवा इक्विप्ड विथ नेगोशिएबल क्राइसिस नेगोशिएबल होस्टेज नेगोशिएबल?
काल केला आमी.
ओके
कालच्या एक्सरसाइजान क्रायसिस मॅनेजमेंट जो आसा पळय तातूंत आमी होस्टेज नेगोशिएशन इन्क्लूड.
So Goa is equipped with that type of.
We have done it.
Okay.
We have done it.
So if NSG can share their experience, अगर
Morning everyone, I'm Mejal. I was the coordinating officer for this exercise. As it has been said by my GC, and first of all I'd like to give a vote of thanks on behalf of GC, CTT, the task force, to Mr. Edwin. As you had asked, this is a relation force. एक साथ में हमें एक्सरसाइज करनी होती है, तो it is integrated that both services give their best. And this is what we implemented yesterday and successfully the both targets that were all the 4 targets. ये एक कोलेशन फोर्स था जिसने साथ में इंटीग्रेट होकर काम किया है. दैट इज व्हाई वी अचीव्ड व्हाट वी केम टू कंप्लीट ओवर.
So apart from this, आजकल खूप हॉक्स कॉल्स येतात फॉर दी फ्लाइट्स एंड ऑल. ताच्या संदर्भात ETS is equipped in Goan.
See, whenever such calls come, in the past also we have received, the state has been receiving these calls. Hoax म्हणूंक शकना. No, none of the calls are hoax unless they are thoroughly analyzed and we come to a conclusion that it is a hoax. Calls येत आसता आणि we are involved at every point of time. The Goa ATS is always involved आणि आम्ही आमचे परफॉर्मन्स केले.
सो गोंयान अजून प्रकारे इंडियन खुबशे हाली कॉल्स येवपाक लागले फॉर एअरलायन्स. सो गोंयान अजून पर्यंत तशें कांय येना हालींच्या काळात सर ह्या म्हयन्यात.
एज ऑफ नाव आता जे आमी कितें मिडियान वाचता पळय दॅट many of the airlines have been receiving bomb calls. As of now, आतां पर्यंत आमच्या गोंयान flight which is connected arriving or departing from the Terrorism. But we are prepared to analyze.
थँक्यू सर, थँक्यू फॉर युअर
काल सर एक मोपाक कॉल येयलो म्हणून एक हें जालो
Flight,
कॉल येयलो काय कितें बॉम्ब दवरला म्हणून सो ताजी कितें तुमकां डिटेल
आमकां थँक्यू.
Yes, thank you.